Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what I actually recommend to use, and then I'm going to talk about the fee structure and everything. So let's start. Right now, as you can see, the TD Ameritrade and Schwab are now part of the company with a shared mission to help people realize that their financial dreams, yada yada, like understandable. And this is the news here, so just keep in mind that they are going to be under one company. Now, I would use definitely TD Ameritrade if I want to day trade, if I want to buy stocks and sell them on a weekly basis. Thinkorswim is like top-notch product for that. Charles Schwab, I would use it personally if I want to travel a lot because they have the travel benefits. And also, if you want to invest in long-term into ETF and stocks, Charles Schwab is not a bad decision for that. Again, both are good platforms. If you're going to choose TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab, you're not going to make a mistake. Now, to go further, what they actually offer, TD Ameritrade offers literally everything with the futures, crypto, options, bonds, funds. Comparing to the Charles Schwab doesn't offer Forex. So if you want to go with the Forex, you should go with the TD Ameritrade. Now, to go further on fees, I want to show you something. So free stocks and ETFs on TD Ameritrade, this is the first thing. And when you would go to the how much it costs to trade options, it's 0.65, and this is the same with the Charles Schwab. So on Charles Schwab you got 0.65 per contract, and ETF and stock are completely for free, so that's really important. And again, Schwab got really good travel benefits with their debit and credit card, so if you're someone who likes to travel, you are going to use it a lot. Like using Charles Schwab for day-to-day investing, I wouldn't do that. I would go definitely with Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade with a trending platform and with their Thinkorswim is a top-notch. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Like what you should do. And yeah. Schwab, and look at this, Schwab decision to adopt Thinkorswim is even more proof of that. So you can see it by yourself that this is like the same company right now. So even this comparison is really hard to do, in my opinion. So thank you and goodbye. See ya.